How was your day?
Good, thinking of you.
You look beautiful.
Thanks, you're handsome.
Can you help with chores?
Yeah, no problem.
Do you like reading?
Yes, love novels.
Want to try a new restaurant?
Sounds great.
How's your family?
Everyone's good.
Let's go to the beach.
Perfect weather.
How was your weekend?
It was great, thanks.
Do you have plans tonight?
No, just staying in.
Want to grab lunch?
Sure, where?
How's your project going?
It's going well.
Need any help?
No, I've got it.
Have you learned any new skills?
Yes, photography.
What's your goal for this year?
To start my own business.
How's your health?
I'm doing well.
Thanks for your time.
No problem.
Let's stay in touch.
Absolutely.
How's your love life?
It's good.
Have a safe trip.
Thanks.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, too.
What's your hobby?
Painting.
Do you believe in luck?
Yes.
Thanks for your time.
No problem.
What's your favorite quote?
Believe in yourself.
What's your biggest achievement?
Graduating college.
Do you have any regrets?
No.
Do you enjoy camping?
Yes, it's peaceful.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I do.
Do you like reading magazines?
Yes, sometimes. Do you?
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, always.
Do you like taking photos?
Yes, it's fun.
Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, very much. Do you travel often?
Do you play any board games?
Yes, I like chess.
Do you like shopping online?
Yes, it's convenient. Do you?